Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Pianshu Placement Solution. Friends, in today's video, we will discuss about off-campus hiring, that is from Accenture TCS, Capgemini, Visual VI, and guys, some few more hirings. Okay, so let's start guys one by one. So वीडियो का आप एंड तक बने रहिएगा. चैनल पर चलो सब्सक्राइब कर देना गाइस, साइड में बेल आइकन उसको क्लिक करना मत भूलना. ओके, एंड गाइस इफ यू not join our telegram channel guys, please go and join in this channel because we are daily uploading the hiring updates plus placement material. Okay, so you will get updated. Okay, so first is guys Tech Mahindra. Okay, अगर अभी तक आपने टेक महिंद्रा में अप्लाई नहीं किया तो गाइस गो एंड अप्लाई. आई विल शेयर each and every link in the description so you can go and check out. Okay, so टेक महिंद्रा की हायरिंग है, so you can apply in this one. Next is hiring is guys LG Soft. Okay, LG Soft की भी हायरिंग ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर चुके हैं. आई विल शेयर दिस लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन सो यू कैन गो एंड अप्लाई इन दीज बोथ टू हायरिंग्स. ओके, बोथ हायरिंग इज गाइस 2020 और 2021 पास आउट. क्लियर. एंड गाइस in LG Soft only C or C++ need. Okay, C and C++ is there. Okay, so let's move to next hiring. Next hiring discuss करते हैं guys. So next one is yes TCS. So friends, this TCS hiring is only for 2022 pass out, but guys one more restriction is this opportunity only for guys arts commerce science graduate from 2022 pass out to apply existing career and make the big move. Clear. So only guys art students commerce and science graduates students can apply in this hiring, as I already told in the thumbnail. Clear hai? So I hope you all know how to apply in this. You just simply go to the register now, and the last date is guys 7th of January. Clear. 7th of January is the last date to apply in this hiring. Okay, so just go and apply and share this hiring with your friends and with known technical students as well. Clear. So next hiring is guys VI, sorry, Visual VI. Okay, if you want, you can check. This one is the official website of that. Okay, so let's see, guys. So yes, VI solution is there. Okay, so just wait. Yes. So guys, basically, who can apply? So basically, guys, as I already told in the thumbnail, ki BE, ME, MCA, MSc, MBA, only 22 pass out, guys. Only 2022 pass out. Clear. And remaining things are not important, so you need to go to application and just fill this all the fields and that are required. So just go and answer all the questions. If you stuck anywhere, just comment me. Okay, I will try to give you your questions solution as soon as possible, guys. So try once ना apply कर देना. इसमें भी the location is guys Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Okay, for this hiring. And guys, they are not enclosed the package and how much they are giving CTC, so they are not writing anything. Okay, let's move to next hiring, that is guys Capgemini. So guys, I already told you to apply in Capgemini. That is the last date is 15th of December, and this pool campus drive only for 2022 batch, guys. So please apply in these if you 2022 pass out. Okay, and if you need help, so you can contact us, no problem. Okay, if you face any issues, just message us on Telegram or WhatsApp. I will share each and every link in the description so you can go and check out. Okay, or I have already told all about this, so you can prefer that video as well. I will share the link in the I button. Okay, so next hiring is guys Accenture. So I already upload the Accenture hiring as well, but guys this one is an update for you, so you just go and apply in this one. And this hiring is only for guys 2020, sorry, yes, 2020 and 2021, 20 or 21 batch can apply. See here, B VTech, I just select anyone and year of passing 21 or 20. Okay, अभी तो इन दोनों की हैगी है ना. बट यस गाइस एसेंचर open hiring for 2022 soon. ठीक है, so this one role is direct hire associate software engineer. Okay, ASE role है इसका. ठीक है, so you can go and apply in these all hirings guys है ना. if you face any issues, just comment me है ना, ask me in comment. Okay, so this all hiring. And guys, one more thing, just join our Telegram channel so that you are updated with all hiring and placement material. Okay, and guys, just poll in this which company, which upcoming company you have. Okay, which upcoming company exam you have, so that guys we are making the lecture accordingly. Clear. So अभी तक तो 40% are Capgemini. So let's see. Okay, so इस वीडियो में इतने फ्रेंड्स. लेट्स मीट ऑन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. ओके, और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं है तो गाइस सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लीजिएगा, बिकॉज गाइस वी डेली uploading the hiring plus placement material on our YouTube channel guys. Placement material in the form of solution. Okay, with explanation. So or one more thing guys, if you not watch this video, then guys please go and check out this video, because guys in this video we are discussing the 8th December. It means 8th December Capgemini slot pseudocode and data structure portion. So you can go and check out this as well. Okay. So let's meet on one more and one very important thing, guys, is ki we already start a complete programming preparation course on our YouTube channel, guys. So if you really want to learn programming from scratch, or if you want to learn C++ or Python from scratch, so you can follow these lectures, guys. Okay. So and support these lectures as well, you know. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope all the things are clear to you. Okay, just go and apply in every drive. I will share all the links in the description, so you can go and check out. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, friends. Let's meet on the next video.